Hi children, I am Subradu, gymnastic coach from Springfield School, Massachusetts. Today I am taking online gymnastic class. First of all, we go for spot jog. You can go for 5 minutes spot jog. General warm to make body warm. Blood circulation increase through warm up to avoid internal, external injuries. Shoulder rotation. Back. Arms rotation. Back. Side leg. Side stretching. Forward bending. Alternate total. Next we go for ankle rotation. Next leg. Balance. Okay. Next, specific warm up. Neck joint. Range of joint movement will take place by doing specific exercise related to neck joint. Next, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1. And right hand. 1, 2, 3. Now come to shoulder joint. Power. 4 counts. Press. Head up and back. 1, 2, 3. Right hand up. Giant hand like this and press up China toes. Next, we go for front, middle, back, side, back up. Front, middle, back, side, and back up. You can go for 8 count. And this side. Now, heel. Change that. Then, other side. Right leg. Now you come for with rope we do some exercise to our shoulder. You take the rope and hold at the end, and bend like for 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then swing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't bend your hands. Okay, this is next. After that, you go for to bring forward like this, and stretch back, outward, inward, outward, inward. Okay, this is the exercise. And after that, you go for backward also same. With the hand back and stretch, bend forward. Swing hands like this. Backward swing hands and bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now top position. Then again you can do the same. Stretching. Okay. Outward, inward. Outward, inward. Now after that you take one more fold like this. One more fold like this. Or not one more fold, I'm sorry. You can go for first some push-ups exercise. We did flexibility exercise to the shoulder. And we go for push-ups to get strength. You can go for 8 times push-ups. After that, you come. You gain some strength from that exercise. And after that, you can do the same which you did before. Inward and out. Outward, inward. Outward. See, this is wider. Make shorter like this. Make shorter. When you make a shorter, you can do one thing. Up like this. You can't go back because slightly bend this side and back. Again come like this. Bend this side slightly and down like this. Bring like this. Okay. Now you got some. More you press. More you fold. Again same. Okay. Same like this. It's coming very close to the. It is coming very close to the joint. So you are doing this much. And strength. Now you can do more. This eager grip like this. Come on, do like this. Easy you can do now. Why? Because it is like that only. That is there. After this, you can go for exercise. Some flank. And bend like this. Hold it. Now, I'm going to say start. Up, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay. Now this is the exercise you have to hold for 20 seconds to 30 seconds. And increase time also. Just relax. That is a forward and next side you can do. Side. After rope exercise. Now side you can do. Do like this. Same like this, right hand also. You follow the same. Right hand. Okay, you understand? That right hand also you have to follow. After right hand, you can go for back. Hold it. You will get some strength on your shoulder by doing this. You have to hold like this. Hold like this. You can hold 20 to 30 seconds. That is the exercise holding side, front and back, front flat, and you do accordingly and practice. After that you go for pull down exercise, jaw. Just jaw. Make free your hands, body, and take a breath. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Now you are coming to normal position. Okay, like this we move to the next class with the stick with ball. One by one, we can go and practice in order to that. Please keep in mind doing exercise, keep regular practice, and be in touch with the video every week and follow the same. Bye children, see you in the next class.